Talagang hindi ako pinabayaan ng Diyos dahil binigay niya sa akin yung dapat para sa akin is
Ang proyektong Dwarfina sa GMA ang tinutukoy ni Heart Evangelista bilang biyayang ipinagkaloob sa kanya ng nasa itaas. Nasa ikalawang linggo na ito sa Lunes, kung saan
nga, lalabas na ako at dalaga na ako next week kami ni Den. Kompletong buhay ko. Thank you, Lord.
ngunit sa kabila ng tinatamasang tagumpay ni Heart, may kabuntot din itong intriga. Of late, she and Raymond Gutierrez have been in the thick of news dahil umano sa kanilang pagdededmahan. Nagsimula raw ito sa technical rehearsal sa Party Pilipinas kung saan
Came forward and I tapped him. But it took him a while to look. So I went away. Balagang nilakasan ko yung loob ko na lumapit kay Mon dahil alam ko naman na ayaw nila sa akin. Hindi ko naman alam na pati yung gesture ko na yun ay mamasamain nila at lalagyan nila ng something.
Pero kung si Raymond ang tatanungin, naging mabilis lang daw ang pangyayaring yon.
Sa Party Pilipinas naman, she tapped me on the shoulder, but then when I turned around, she turned around already. She didn't even give me a chance to say hi or say anything. So it was a very quick moment. Well, actually, Tim, in all her interviews, she keeps saying na pag nakita niya ako, she'll say hi to me. Pag nakita niya si Chart, she'll say hi to Chart. So, in Party Pilipinas, I'm kind of waiting for her gesture because siya naman talaga yung kumala sa amin, di ba? Kasi kami wala naging problema sa kanya. So, I was kind of testing it also to see kung gagawin niya yung mga sinasabi niya sa interviews niya. Kaya hindi naman niya nagawa.
Inalam naman ni Richard Gutierrez ang pangyayari involving his twin brother.
Kung may problem siya, dapat she should talk to Mon. We really helped her out in everything and we were really very supportive. We were there behind her. So, syempre, na-hurt din yung family ko, na-hurt si Mon. Especially Mon. Mon was really there for her because of her actions towards Mon and my mom. So, hindi ako komportable, to be honest. Hindi ako magpaka-plastic.
The issue took another intriguing twist nung pasaringan umano ni Raymond sa Showbiz Central si Heart. Sa di nito pagpansin umano sa kanya, and we quote, "Pati yung mga hindi namamansin, pwede kayong maging involved dyan." Unquote. May pahabol pa raw na linya si Raymond. And again, we quote, "Thank you, Kuya Ogie, pinansin mo ako." Unquote.
Appreciate it if they stop making parinig and they actually say my name. Then maybe I can address it. Because at this point, I really don't know who they're saying that to. So next time, I'd appreciate if they make parinig. It would be better if they say, "How come Heart didn't say hi to me?" Then I can address that issue.
Kung ang sinasabi nila yung sa Showbiz Center yung mga sinasabi ko doon, it's actually like an inside joke between me and the hosts. So, lagi naman kami may mga inside jokes there. So, parang nagulat din ako na biglang pinalaki ng ganito.
Pero kung si Heart man daw ang pinatatamaan ni Raymond, nauunawaan naman daw yon ni Annabel Rama.
Sabi ko, ang masama lang loob ko kasi wala siyang utang loob kay Raymond. Si Raymond taga-convince sa akin, tanggapin ko si Heart as talent. Magsasabi siya, dapat galing sa puso niya, gawin niya. Hindi yung puro lang sasabihin para sa harap ng masa. Kung gusto mong batiin mo, hindi pwedeng ipaplano mo pa yan.
Ina-admit ko na masakit. Pero no comment na lang ako doon. Kasi maybe that would be the best way to deal with it and how we've always dealt with it. That you just really have to, pray a lot. That, just be quiet na lang and not fight back or anything. Pero kung may pagkakamali ka, mag-sorry ka, and if I did anything again, I'm sorry too. Yeah, I'm sure the situation will be better kung hindi lahat nag-aaway.
Bukas ba naman ang dalawang panig sa pakikipag-ayos?
Pero siguro pag hindi paggalit lahat. Kasi kapag galit na ang isang tao, nothing will make them change their mind. So, I will just remain to be as grateful and as calm as possible. Hopefully, that will happen soon. Then, yes.
Ikaw ba? Wala namang problema sa akin dong eh. Basta mag-sorry ka lang naman, okay lang naman sa akin, di ba? Ganyan naman ako kababaw na hindi ako nagtatanim.
Well, let's see na lang what happens from here kasi I'm sure lumaki na yung issue, di ba? I mean, you know, ayoko na magpaka-plastic na lalapit lang ako sa kanya para batiin siya, di ba? Sana wala nang ganitong gusot na nangyayari kasi sana maayos lahat. Sana maayos lahat.
Samantala, nag-tweet si Raymond noong January 9. Sabi niya, and we quote, "Thank you for watching Party Pilipinas and Showbiz Central. Muntik na magka-bad vibes, but I chose to ignore its irrelevance." Unquote. Nasundan pa ito ng tweet noong January 13, and we quote again, "My track record can speak for itself. I haven't been involved in conflicts, and I've never burned bridges. Hope others could say the same."
Bigat nun, ha? Anyway, maraming salamat, Dr. Vicky Bello, si Reset Tuviera, and Susan Aquino of Symmetria, Flawless, Gold Gym Metathion. And happy birthday kay Carta Nael at sa mga happy fiesta sa Pingol family of San Pedro, Laguna. Okay.
Ako na nga pala. Thank you, Dr. Vicky Bello, Dr. Caparas, and Bello Medical Group, Metathion, Bello Essentials, Earth Placenta, Bucalo Shoes, Karimadan for my outfit, Lina Hair Fashion, Dr. Hala Disa Santos for my dental care, Lawrence Soterio for my makeup, and belated happy birthday to Ma'am Reggie Magno.
And start off, would like to thank Nail Love, Hand and Food Spa, Joseph and J. Mark's Family Grill, Zagu, Sweet Corner, King, Sway, Twist and Fry, Item Design Furniture Depot, Ostra Metalite, Dizar, Aquabest, Samsung Electronics, Philippines, everyone's invited, ACR Furniture, Modern Design Furniture, Bello, Flawless, and Magic Jelly.
Going all St. Paul College of Manila High School Class 1961 joined their Golden Jubilee celebration on January 30 at St. Paul University, Manila. Call Eugenio, Eugenia, Yuvienco Godinez, 532
1961 pala nag-graduate si Matt Aligado, no?
Oo nga.
Or
Or Milagros. Arabit Morales at 931-7980.
And,
Ikaw na, Regilo.
Okay, you're invited at the 2011 TCQC High School Grand Alumni Homecoming Rewind. Remember, Reunite, Rekindle, hosted by class 1986 sa February 5, 2011 at TCQC Quadrangle. Registration starts at 5 a.m. Call 0949-133-8503.
And happy birthday kay Janessa Galang, Arkin, Tracy Tendilla, and Luz Biminda Alvarez.
And happy birthday to Lucy De Vera, and happy viewing to Ray De Vera and family. Celebrate sila ngayon. Happy birthday to Irene Perez and Rafi Noconluna. Happy fiesta sa mga taga Daram Samar. Happy viewing to Elba Tabon of Daram Samar. Hi Yuan, Cristil, Noy, Jewel, and Raya. And happy Sinulog fiesta sa mga taga Cebu.
Okay, sa mga taga Cebu, abangan nyo kami ni Alisa Alano. We will be riding the
Papunta
float
sila
ng
sa airport.
Flawless. Ito, nandun din siya.
Mamaya.
Pero ibang racket niya nun.
Taurus pa rin. Lolit.
Bambi Pentes, lalo na kay Wendy, maraming salamat. Kay Bong Lasso ng Ritaso, Bizarre, kay JC Bendia. Maraming salamat kay Roland Natola, Espiritu ng Mitatayan ng Scorpic Acid, Ernie Lin ng Ultra Mega Supermarket, Joel Cruz ng Aficionado, Pauline Luna, Rene Garcia ng Rini Placenta, Happy Toothpaste, Jasper Chu ng Absela ng Champion, Richard Chet, Susan Chua ng Regent Food Corp, Emil and Island Go ng Sister Tapkin, Christy La Cruz and Carol Go ng Magic Jelly, Lucky Bamboo, Dr. Vicky Bello, Ruby Cuyuto ng Flores, Dr. Evelyn San Luis, Joey Santos ng House of Pobaji, Mama Peli de la Cruz, Mayor Enrico Roque, Jenny Napoles, Boy Abunda ng Pure Gold, Mama Bing Perez, at Hikari Soap na yan, Jenny Lynn Mercado, Ron David ng Cebuana Luwera, Dan Roque, Paro at Benji Alicio.
Abot-abot pa rin. Rampage!
Nangunguna kasama sina Heart Evangelista and Dennis Trillo sa Dwarfina. Live chat at GMA Network Center. Next dyan, ang listening party for Pupils' third album, Limiters of the Infinity Pool sa Robot Resto Makati Ave. Then segue sa Flawless SM Makati opening. Site ko here ang bad boy ng dance floor, Mark Heras. And finally, rampa tayo sa album launching ni Kyla entitled Private Affair.
Rampage the end!
Bumabati man si Loli, may kwento pang mainit. Patuloy na inaabangan, isyung palaban, walang limutan.
Ganun talaga buhay. Nothing's perfect.
Sa Hong Kong, sinalubong ng young actress na si Lovie Po ang bagong taon. Mas pinili kasi nitong makasama ang rumored boyfriend na si Ilocos Sur Representative Ronald Singson.
I stayed there for a while. It is good naman. My friends were there. Every time I go there, mixed emotions naman. There are a lot of, it's actually hard for me to say. Different feelings na talaga.
Iwas pusoy naman ang dalaga na pag-usapan ang kinakaharap na drug offense ni Ronald sa Hong Kong. Sa January 26, nakatakdang isagawa ang arraignment sa kaso ng kongresista.
Plus, I'm not allowed to say anything because kahit siya, he's not saying anything about the case kasi hindi pa nga. Hintayin na lang natin because not everybody here knows the real story. So let's just wait.
And this is yata ang hearing, nandun ka ba?
I don't know. Hopefully, I don't know if I'm gonna be there, but sana maging okay lahat.
Napag-uusapan na ba nila ni Ronald ang kasal?
No, no plans. Hindi na pag-uusapan. It's marami pa akong gustong gawin sa buhay. There are a lot of things that I want to do and pursue since I was a kid naman. Lahat ng mga, so far, yung mga gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko, nangyayari naman siya. So, ayokong pakawalan.
Samantala, abala ngayon si Lovie sa shooting ng pelikulang My Valentine Girls, kung saan isa siya sa mga leading ladies ni Richard Gutierrez.
Marami nga siya halikang babae dito. Sabi ko, you are one lucky man. Happy naman ako na he makes me feel comfortable.
Sa araw ng mga puso ang showing ng naturang pelikula. Natapat din ito sa kaarawan ng aktres. May balak ba siyang ipagdiwang ang kanyang birthday kasama si Ronald?
Well, of course, I want to spend it here. Because, syempre gusto ko panoorin yung movie namin lahat. I have a lot of friends naman. I have a lot of good people around me. And I'm not gonna be alone. Basta, I'm not gonna be alone.
Mana TX! Bandang pupil ni Ellie Buendia. May bagong album na. Okay, Pilipino na play!
It's been over a year in the making. Finally, natapos na rin. Sobrang proud ng banda with this album. Lahat kami nagsulat ng kanta.
Sana support nyo Limiters of the Infinity Pool. And we're so proud of it. And hopefully, marinig ng maraming tao. So, yun. Thank you sa mga bibili and sa mga makikinig. We're very excited to tour, hit the road again, hit all the provinces of the country, hopefully also play overseas.
Ano ba ang iba sa album na ito?
Sa ngayon, we're still, ang pinaka-goal ng band talaga para sa akin is magkaroon kami ng sariling tunog na makikilala kahit hindi mo na alam kung sino tumutugtog. Basta narinig mo yung music namin, alam mo na pupil yun. And bawat album, ganun ang gusto namin mangyari. At sa tingin ko, dito sa album na to, nagawa namin.
Narinig mo ang latest showbiz issue straight from the stars sa Star Talk sa tulong ng new best ever Sunsilk at Nescafe 3-in-1.